Hello dear kids, welcome back to my channel. I am Lalita Batra. Today we will study about the sounds of the alphabet. Do you know the alphabet? Yes, it has 26 letters A to Z. All of these letters have their own different sounds. Dear children, when you understand the sound of each letter, then it's very easy for you to read, avoid sentences and books. Shall we start? Yes, ma'am. Okay, come. Say the letter and repeat the sound. This is the first letter A. A says A, apple. B says B, bat, B, bat. C says K, cat, K, cat. D says the drum, drum. E says A, egg, egg. F says fan, fan. G says gun. H says hat. I says ink. J says jug. K says kite. Kite. L says lamp. M says monkey. Monkey. N says nose. O says orange. P says parrot. Q says queen. R says rat. S says sun. T says tap. U says umbrella. V says van. W says walk. Watch. Water. X says X-ray. Box. Y says yacht. Z says zebra. Thank you children. Dear mommies, please do like and share my video. To see phonic sounds in Hindi, please subscribe my channel Bacho Ki Kaksha. Thank you.